How to fix Xbox controller drifting. To fix the Xbox's controller drifting, first of all, you have to press the Xbox button to open the guide itself from your controller. Then go to the Profile and System, head to Settings, then go to Devices and Connections, where you will find Accessories. Select the controller with the drift and click the three dotted button. Then click the Recalibration option. Choose the thumb that is drifting and follow the on-screen prompt to recenter it. Or what you can also do is clear the debris with the alcohol. Turn off the controller and remove the batteries. Dip a cotton swab in 90% or higher isopropyl alcohol. Then press the drifting analog stick to side and thoroughly rub the wet cotton swab around the round base of the stick. This should also fix your issue. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.